Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's August the 7th, 2022. We're going to talk about Palantir because their second quarter earnings is due to be released. You guys can see it. I'm zooming on this chart. It's due to be released on August the 8th, which is tomorrow morning. Oh, wow. Now look at this. We were already in position for Palantir. We've already expected that the price in Palantir was going to go up, and it has been on that move. Now, it's been a very long time. The price in Palantir has been taking this slow, methodical grandma movement to the upside. It's been taking forever. I mean, we've had this price prediction in Palantir ever since June 24th of it looking to go up. Did an update video in Palantir on the 21st of July, which is right here. Okay. And I was still telling you then on that video that I was looking for Palantir to go up. Now, you all can see we are now well within our price target area, right? Market even came and traded above $11. Now, I had that area right here, $11 as restriction. Okay, got something to talk to you all about. And you don't have to worry about listening on the conference call, the earnings, because the grand scheme of things, people aren't worried about where price is going to do, right? They could care less about what Alex Karp has to say, what the future earnings is going to be, what's the guidance, what's the forecast, because all of that is hypothetical. One thing that is not hypothetical, one thing that is not fake is the price chart. What we're looking at right now, if you think about it, is what people think and how they feel, right? If you believe in anything, you'll put your money at it. If you don't believe in something, you won't buy it. You'll sell it. This is what the price chart is telling us about Palantir right now. So I wanted to show you all this. Let's talk. Before I get started, you all appreciate my videos? You want to join this winning team? I want you all to join me. Hit the like button, share the video, also subscribe to the channel. Tap that bell notification as well. Yes, I'm dead serious. Tap that bell because when I create my videos, you'll be one of the first ones to know about where I think price is going to go so that we can be in position and actually win in the stock market. Yes. And it doesn't take that much time. It doesn't take 45 minutes of a video. You don't have to look at the earnings. You don't have to do 8 pillars. You don't have to do a discount cash flow model. No fundamental analysis because it wastes your time. If you think about it, there's like 3,000 and something stocks that's being traded on a daily basis. And you spend 40 minutes on one stock when there's a plethora of other opportunities out there that you're missing out on. The name of the game is to simply make money, not fall in love with companies. Alex Karp does not love us. So why should we love him? We need to use him to make us money. That's his whole job. That's why he has shareholders. That's why he has a board. Those board members, those shareholders want him to do one thing, and that is to make money. I want to invest, and in that investment, I want to come back on the other side with more money than what I originally invested. That's the name of the game. So let's talk about this. Let me go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction right here. Okay, because you all can see that we are in profit. Okay, on the close of Friday, it's around 12.25%. Cool. Let's take it. Let's get rid of it. Now, first things first, I want to show you that this trend in Palantir is still ongoing. Okay, we got earnings coming up tomorrow, right? Now, it may scare people if Palantir was to crash, but if the market was to crash down here, there's nothing for us to worry about because the trend is still intact. So if the market in Palantir falls 19-20%, we simply came back to the trend. That's all. Nothing changed. We are still in line with Palantir going up. You see that, right? So the news is going to be negative. They're going to scare you. They're going to say that Palantir plummeted. Stock is down 20%. As long as the market in Palantir holds support on this ascending line, we understand that the trend is still in place, that the stock is still going to go up. It's just that simple. Now, another thing I wanted to show you is how, notice on these days right here, okay, we've already identified where restriction was right there on 11. Notice on these 3 days, right here, August the 3rd, August the 4th, and then on August the 5th, 3 days. What do you think this means? If at one point $11 was restriction, and then the market on those 3 days traded above it, what do you think happened? There's only 2 transactions that can occur in a market: buying or selling. That's it. So on these 3 days, what occurred? Was it more selling or was it more buying? That gives us a big clue as to what the market is anticipating going forward. Because I would say by these 3 days, how Palantir did not fall below 11, that there were still buyers there. Yes. Let's see this on the weekly chart. Okay. So you guys can see last week, look at this. The last 2 previous weeks, the market in Palantir is still giving us some strength. See, money don't lie. Charts don't lie. Now, can we see initially the stock in Palantir go down? Yes. But from what we're noticing here on the weekly chart is that the market is still trying to trend higher in Palantir. Now, we got this problem though, right here around $12 is a problem that can literally impact where Palantir is trying to go. That's my first area there. And then my second area is going to be around $13 to $14 for us to see the next restriction area. Okay. So I'm still looking for the price in Palantir to go up because the chart is not lying to us at all. $12 first. Then my second area is going to be around like 13, 12.75. Up there towards 14. Okay, so let me put this on the chart. Okay, now, even if we were to see the market go down 20% tomorrow, I've already explained it to you that that doesn't mean that the market is going to continue to go down. We have a placeholder. We have an idea as to how low the market can still go and will still be bullish. Okay, and it's right here on this ascending line. So if the earnings comes out negative tomorrow in Palantir, I get it. It's going to scare a lot of people, but there's nothing for us to fret. Especially if we see the market only come down to 10, that's even better. And the buyers were to come into market at 10 in Palantir, that's even better. For us to see the market continue to go up. Okay. Now my first price target is here. It's only at 12. I get it. But we can see here, back here in April, that the market in Palantir was utilizing this $12 price as support. So I will suspect that sellers will come in there again. My second price target, let's do around like 12.75. That's a 12% movement higher. And then my third price target is going to be up here around $14. Okay. That's it right there. So I'm in position. Let me go ahead and put this on the daily chart so we all can follow the market. If we see the buyers hold 10, that's even better. If they don't hold 10 and they come down to this $9 area, I'm still going to play some strength, but I'm going to be a little bit less bullish. Just give you all a heads up on that. So that is it. It is your turn. I want you all to go ahead and drop me your price prediction, your price target in the market in Palantir. Where are we going to go? So far, the strength is still being seen on the chart, so I'm not going to come in and change it up yet. All right. So let me know. Make sure you maintain a profitability. And as always, trade different.